So this exotic looking thing is actually a passion flower, and you wouldn't think this would be native to New Jersey or the Northeast, but it is. It is the host plant to the Fritillary butterfly. So that's why I planted it. We don't have hardly any fritillarias left. We have variegated fritillaria. The other species that we used to have are basically gone in this part of New Jersey anyway. So it's a beautiful flower, and it's very exotic. So here is the flower structure, very bizarre. So there's little bands on the bottom. Apparently the pollen is underneath them, if I can get it in here. And those helicopter looking blades up top are the stigmas. So that's like the female part of the flower. And the bumblebee will get the pollen on his back when he's collecting nectar, and then transfer some of that pollen to the stigma, those helicopter looking things up top, and that will fertilize the plant, and they'll make seeds, and actually they'll make a fruit, which we call a maypop, a passion fruit. So that's how that works. From what I understand, they're not that good. However, I hear if you have box turtles, they really enjoy them, as do other wildlife. So that's a really nice plant. It's not great for your garden. Here, I'll show you another picture. Unless you have plenty of room, because they spread by rhizomes, underground stems, and they come up all over the place. Here's another flower. Really pretty. And they'll make eventually this gigantic vine, you know. So if you have the space for it, grow it, help the fritillary butterflies. Passion flower, really exotic, beautiful looking thing.